If you're interested in being a QA engineer in 2025, but you don't know where to start, whether you have a tech or a non-tech background, this video will show you the exact steps to break into software testing and land your first QA job. I would advise that you watch this video to the end, as every part of this video will provide you secret tips that would enable you stand out as a QA engineer. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what a QA engineer does. A QA engineer, or quality assurance engineer, is responsible for testing softwares to ensure it works correctly, efficiently, and without bugs before it reaches customers. You will be writing test cases, performing manual or automated testing, and working closely with developers. Don't worry if this sounds overwhelming. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what skill to learn and where to start. Step 2. Learn manual testing basics. Before jumping into automation, start with manual testing. This means manually checking software to see if it works as expected. Learn about test cases, bug reports, and testing types. A great way to practice is by testing real apps like Google Docs, Facebook, or any website you use daily. Write down what should happen versus what actually happens. Do what to look out for free manual testing resources, ISTQB foundational level C-level, and of course, free courses on YouTube and Udemy. Step 3. Learn an automation testing tool. Start with Selenium or Cypress. Once you understand manual testing, the next step is learning automation testing. This means writing scripts to test software automatically. This saves time and effort. They are beginner-friendly tools. For the course of this video, I would recommend Selenium and Cypress. Selenium for web testing, works with Java, Python, and C#. Cypress, best for JavaScript, TypeScript, and modern web apps. Don't worry if you don't know how to code. You can start with simple scripts and learn programming along the way. Also, you can access free resources for automation testing. There is selenium.dev, where you can access the official documentation for Selenium, and also YouTube tutorial on Selenium and Cypress. Step 4. Learn API testing using Postman. There are other tools as well, like Cypress. You can use Cypress for API testing, but using Postman, modern apps rely on APIs, that's application programming interfaces. As a QA engineer, you need to test these APIs to make sure they return the correct data. Postman is a free tool that lets you test APIs without writing code. Learn how to send requests, check responses, and automate API testing. Where to learn API testing? There's Postman Learning Center, it's free. Then also YouTube tutorials can be a great asset. Step 5. Learn a programming language. Python, JavaScript, Java. You don't need to be a developer, but knowing a bit of coding will help you write automation tests. Start with Python or JavaScript, as they are widely used in testing. You can start off learning programming languages from websites like Free Code Camp, Code Academy, W3 Schools. Start small. Write a script that prints Hello World and gradually build your skills. Step 6. Very important, build real projects and start a portfolio. Companies want to see real projects before hiring you. Create a simple portfolio that includes test cases and bug reports, that's manual for manual testing, automation scripts written either through Selenium or Cypress, API testing projects via Postman. Companies want to see real projects before hiring you. Create a simple portfolio that includes test case and bug reports, automation scripts, API testing projects. You can store your projects on GitHub and share them in job applications. Finally, step 7. Apply for jobs and prepare for interviews. Now, it's time to land your first QA job. Search for QA tester or junior QA engineer on LinkedIn, Indeed, or other websites where jobs have been uploaded, or company websites. Prepare for interviews by practicing questions like, what is the difference between manual and automation testing? What are the different types of software testing? How do you write a good bug report? To stand out, mention your portfolio and be confident in explaining your test project. And that's how you become a QA engineer in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe button so you get notified when new videos are uploaded that concerns quality assurance engineering and software testing. And also, if you have questions, leave them in the comment section. I will definitely respond to them. And also, you can tell me about parts of QA engineering that you find interesting. And yes, see you in the next video.